founded here in Cebu, but we will also witness a shift of Philippine healthcare workflow. And our mission is very simple: to bridge the gap of technology and healthcare. Because for the longest time, workflow of every healthcare has been way down from traditional paperworks, manual schedulings, and all those papers left out and cannot be seen. Today, that ends. With a team of Clinica Hub, our approach is not just here in Cebu. It's for all the Philippines, made for every Filipino. Once again, thank you and welcome to the official launch of Clinica Hub.
Focused on your patients. The struggle is real. Paper charts that vanish, billing errors, and a front desk caught in a constant loop of manual scheduling and missed appointments. Managing inventory is a guessing game. Payroll and accounting become late-night burdens that steal time from your clinic's growth. It's time to stop fighting the process and start controlling it. Clinica Hub was built to untangle the chaos for every type of practice. Whether you run a primary care clinic, a dental suite, or a pediatric practice, we provide the architecture for total management. Handle your accounting with automated precision. Manage inventory in real time. Optimize your queuing to ensure your time is used exactly where it matters most. No more lost data. No more guessing inventory. No more HR nightmares. Just a streamlined, professional, and efficient clinical ecosystem. You have the expertise to heal. We have the technology to help you scale. Why settle for yesterday's headaches? Let your clinic have Clinica Hub.
Yes, this is already available.
Okay. So, unsay makita na mo? For those mga viewers na, unsay makita na mo once nga nanami sa app? Nanami app.
Sige. Normal nga application yun makitaan if you're familiar with Airbnb, Shopee. Muna na siya nga atake. So, ika-click sa app, search sa clinic, dental, pili ka dental, optal, pedia, sa nga type of clinic. Makita ang mga doctors or even clinics nga offered sa imong services nga gina-search. So, na siya makita sa app. Also, once nakita niyo sa video, once ma-confirm ang booking, ma-notify si doctor, no need na to fill up sa form igaabot sa clinic, no need na tanan. The doctor would know your information, not the history. If dili mo i-provide ang history, dili gid na nila makitaan, but with your information lang, your name, your age and whatnot, and then all those will be available online. And then you can print your medical certificate online rapod. No need to go to the clinic.
What about the payment? Do we have to pay right there and then after the booking?
That's a good question, ma'am. Now with the payment, there will be two options. It's either you as a patient will pay to the app or through the app. QR code will be provided by the clinics. That's the first one. The second one will be you paying personally, cash or maybe GCash by the time that you will get into the clinic.
So once we book, that is already considered paid, whether we show up or not.
That's a good question as well. Now, regards to confirmed booking, it depends on the clinic if he would allow that that will be considered as a book, knowing that you did not show up yet. So it's for them, they can customize it if the only thing that will confirm or any booking that can and will be confirmed only are those bookings that are already been paid. But if not, it won't be a confirmed booking. But for general, it will always be a confirmed booking even if you did not pay yet.
Okay. So sa app, nana siya yung list of the doctors, list of clinics. Nana siya dito.
Yes.
So, pila man kabuok clinics ang naa diri sa app and how many doctors? What are their specialization?
That's a good question. I will give it to our Chief Technology Officer.
Yes, everything is in the app, no? So, tanan list sa any list sa clinics like dental or ophthalmology, and everything makita dito. So, search na nimo. Yes, everything.
Okay, I think what you're referring is, are there any clinics available already in the app? Is that correct? Okay. Now with Clinica Hub, the only clinics that will be showed in the Clinica Hub is the one that subscribe. Actually, just so you know, Clinica Hub is a software as a service wherein the only clinics that will be shown on the app are those clinics who subscribe in Clinica Hub.
Is this available nationwide? Di siya ka mga clinics or Cebu only?
Right now ba?
Right now ba?
Right now, it's started here in Cebu, but this will be launched for the entire country, Philippines. Thank you.
Good morning, Wong from DYRF. Sir, sa una to pagsiguro nga credible o sakto nga mga health information nga atong gipaabot. At at the same time, sir, yun sa nato pagprotekta sa Clinic Hub ang privacy of medical information sa mga pasyente.
Okay, so with Clinica Hub, by the way, I'm Arjan Vizcara. I'm the one who implementer for the data center infrastructure and cybersecurity together with the firewall. So our Clinica Hub resides in one of the cloud computing platform, a leading provider, which is AWS, Amazon Web Services. So we have 4 actually servers there, nakaseparate ang ihang back-end, front-end server. And we have also the database server, separate from that. Ikatulong ang servers, we have conference server, and the last one is the file storage servers. So it's very scalable to ang AWS at the same time, naka-cluster na atong mga database in there. And we also enable the AWS web application firewall. So very secured. And in terms for the ako'y hatag ni Sir Boy for the other.
So good morning, everyone. With regard to the question about the user verification, since when the user sign up, it goes into a process of verification, such as verifying the correct contact number and the correct verified email address. And when these two verifications successfully go through, then they can confirm booking through the Clinica app. Then, for instance, that the email is not a legit email, it will flag into the system and it can't book into the Clinica Hub clinics.
Good morning, John Kimbote from GMA Radio. Regarding sa mga clinics na gustong subscribe or join sa inyong Clinica Hub, kung sa arrangement, pili payment or sa revenue or maybe kinsay makadiscuss sa arrangement with the clinics.
Thank you. With Clinica Hub, all the clinics are encouraged to subscribe to Clinica Hub. We actually have 3 plans, so just you know, the first plan is 888. That's the basic plan. Second is 2,888. Third is 4,888. Now, what's the difference between these 3? The 888 only offers those basic, those confirmed booking, those really basic features. Then on 2,888 and 4,888, aside with features, is the doctors that will be subscribed to that clinic. We're referring to users inside the clinic. So for 888, that will only provide 2 users or 2 doctors, or 1 doctor, 1 secretary. And if they wish to have 1 more, for example, a clinic that has 3 doctors, so that will be considered still a basic subscription, 888, but for that 1 additional, that will only be 488. And then for the second plan, which is 2,888, that's up until 5 doctors, that will also be the same with the basic. If they wish to have 1 more, then that's another 488. For the 4,888 plan, all features are available: online queuing, online booking, everything, pharmacy, inventory, count them all. That's already in the 4,888, and that will be up until 10 users or doctors or secretaries, whatnot. Anyone that you will allow to be a user in the application or in your system will be considered as user. Thank you, sir.
Follow-up lang, regarding sa payment sa clinic, sila na ba yung makabukod sa ilang charge? Or naamoy fixed rate? Or inyo ba nang i-regulate if pila ang for bookings? If ever kami mag-book mo yun ay bayad?
Yeah, that's a very good question, sir. So, with regards to the payment, since clinics have different prices in the services, during your sign up on the Clinica Hub, on the account onboarding is you will be setting the list of the service that you have, including the price of that services and the pictures, or any have your pictures on that services. So there is no additional cost from the Clinica Hub with that services. It's all yours, and you can modify that all throughout your settings.
Last na lang siguro.